to ignore. Sun hit my melanin, crown feeling heaven sent. Every scar story, every loss was the evidence. Raindrops dripping like jewels from the sky, turning puddles into mirrors where I learned to recognize. Concrete jungle, still the flowers break through. Pressure made the diamond, pain made the view. Lesson in the shadows, blessing in the flame. You can't spell growth without spelling out rain. Let it pour, let it pour. The sun and the rain, gotta love both sides. One makes me glow, one makes me rise. Life paint a mural on my soul so deep. Every joy, every tear make the roots run deep. Sun and the rain, oh, they dance in the chain. Yeah. Clouds in rotation, that's divine circulation. Storms test the vessel, but they bless the navigation. Thunder like a bass line, lightning in the sky. Even darkness need a canvas for the stars to shine. Seasons flip scripts like a DJ on the set. Winter wrote the pain, spring cashed the check. Summer turned the heat up, fall told me let go. Nature got the blueprint for the soul to grow. Let it go, let it go. You feel the glow when you felt the cold. You thank the drops when the seeds unfold. Every L that I took put the roots in place. Now the branches hold fruit and the leaves show grace. The sun and the rain, gotta love both sides. Here one makes me glow, one makes me rise. Life paint a mural on my soul so deep. Every joy, every tear make the roots run deep. From the dirt to the bloom, to the fire, to the sky. From the tears to the cheers, it's the circle of life. No sun without rain, no loss without gain, no peace without pain. Still it all sounds the same. Beautiful, one makes it beautiful. Sunshine, rain down, both divine, both mine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Life is a canvas, and I'm the design.